In this tutorial, I'll show you how to calculate risk management easily on TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll use TradingView's built-in position tool to set your entry, stop loss, and take profit, and instantly see position size, risk to reward, and potential profit or loss based on your account size and chosen risk. First, access the tools. On the left-hand toolbar, click the drop-down arrow near the measurement and prediction tools. From the list, select long position if you're planning a buy, or short position if you're planning a sell. Picking the correct one makes sure the profit and loss boxes display in the right direction for your trade idea. Next, place it on the chart. Move your cursor to your planned entry price and click once to drop the tool. You'll see a green box for potential profit and a red box for potential loss. Drag the red box so the bottom or top aligns exactly with your intended stop loss level, and drag the green box so it lines up with your take profit level. This step is just setting up the on-screen measurement. It does not place a live order, so you can adjust freely. Now configure the settings. Double-click the position tool you just placed to open the settings panel. This panel controls the numbers the tool uses to calculate your risk and position size. Enter your account size. In the account size field, type your total account balance. Use the value you manage your risk from. If your balance changes later, you can come back and update this number at any time. Confirm the currency shown matches the market you're trading so the dollar amounts make sense. Set your risk. Change the risk setting to either USD or %. Choose USD if you want to risk a fixed dollar amount per trade, or choose % if you prefer to risk a percentage of your account. Then type the exact amount, for example, 1% or 100 in USD. This is your maximum acceptable loss for this trade idea if the stop loss is hit. Setting this correctly ensures the tool sizes the position to fit your plan. Fine-tune your entry, SL, and TP prices. In the same settings panel, enter the precise numbers for your entry price, your stop loss, and your take profit. You can type them in directly for accuracy, especially in fast markets or on small time frames. The chart lines will snap to these exact levels. If needed, click OK to close the panel and use the on-chart handles to make small adjustments. Then reopen the panel to verify the exact prices. Analyze and adjust. With your entry, stop loss, take profit, account size, and risk defined, the tool automatically calculates 3 key results: your position size in shares or contracts, your risk-to-reward ratio, and your potential dollar loss and profit. Watch these values update in real time as you drag the stop loss or take profit lines or tweak the prices in the settings. If the risk amount doesn't match your strategy, adjust the stop loss distance, the take profit level, or the risk value until the displayed risk and position size align with what you're comfortable with. Take a moment to confirm the direction is correct. Green should reflect potential profit for your chosen long or short tool, and red should reflect potential loss toward your stop. At this point, your risk management calculation on TradingView is complete. You've set the entry, stop loss, and take profit, entered your account size and risk, and verified the position size, risk to reward, and potential P&L. Everything is now configured and working for this trade idea. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.